Hey everyone! In today's video, we will see how to deactivate Instagram account temporarily. So, let's get started. Firstly, navigate to the Instagram app on your smartphone and tap on the icon to open it. Once you're in, navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once the profile page is open, look for the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Tap on that to open the menu. Select Settings and Privacy from this menu. Once the Settings menu opens, select the first option, which is Account Center. Here, in the Account Settings, open Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. Then, open Deactivation and Deletion. Choose the account profile that you want to deactivate. When you tap on it, a new page will open where you will see two options. You can either deactivate the account temporarily or delete it permanently. Select the first option and tap on Continue. In this step, enter your account password for confirmation. If you tap on Continue, your account will be deactivated temporarily that you can activate anytime. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.